In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in Mailchimp. Segmentation is a powerful way to send more targeted, relevant emails to specific groups within your audience. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, you can group contacts based on things like their location, how engaged they are, or details you've collected with custom fields. Let's walk through the process step by step inside Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel. Find the option labeled Audience and click it. When you do, it will expand to show more options related to your contacts. From that expanded list, choose Segments. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your saved audience segments. Inside the Segments area, click the button that says Create Segment. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear where you'll set up the rules for your new segment. In this pop-up, you'll define exactly who should be included. Start by clicking the drop-down that says something like Select or Search a Filter. This is where you choose your condition type, which is basically the field you want to filter by. It could be something like email marketing status, sign-up source, tags, location, or any other audience field you have available. Once you select your field, a second drop-down or input will appear next to it. This is where you set the operator or rule. For example, you might choose is not, contains, does not contain, greater than, or less than, depending on the type of field you picked. This defines how Mailchimp should compare the data. Then in the last field, you'll enter or select the value or criteria. This might be a specific country, a tag name, a date, or any value that matches your chosen field. Take a moment to make sure your combination of field, operator, and value accurately describes the group you want to target. When you're happy with your rule, go to the top right of the pop-up and click Review Segment. Mailchimp will now load and pull in all contacts that match your conditions. Give it a moment to process. Once the matching audience appears, review the list to confirm it looks correct. If something seems off, you can go back and adjust your filters. When everything looks good, click Use Segment in the top right. A new pop-up will appear asking you to name your segment. Choose a clear, descriptive name that will make sense to you later, especially if you plan to create multiple segments. For example, you might name it something like Engaged Subscribers Last 30 Days or Customers in Europe. Type the name into the field provided, and when you're done, click Save and Exit at the bottom right. Your segment is now created and ready to use in your campaigns.